the Oukitel WP30 Pro versus the Oukitel WP33 Pro. Which of these two rugged phones pack the best specs? In this video we're going to find out, because we're going to be comparing the specs of both devices. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the WP30 Pro has a thickness of 19mm and its weight 414 grams, while the WP33 Pro has a thickness of 27.2mm and its weight 577.5 grams. The WP30 Pro has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz refresh rate display. The panel is IPS. The device also has a 1.8-inch rear display with an OLED panel, while the WP33 Pro has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 60Hz refresh rate, and of course the display of both devices are protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. The WP30 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 8050 5G processor, while the WP33 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 6100 Plus, which means the WP30 Pro is a far more powerful rugged phone. In terms of memory, the WP30 Pro has 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, while the WP33 Pro utilizes 8GB of RAM and it packs a 256GB internal storage. Both devices run on the Android 13 operating system and is the stock version. The battery capacity of the WP30 Pro is 11,000 mAh and it supports 120 watts super fast charging, while the WP33 Pro packs a 22,000 mAh battery and it supports just 33 watts fast charging. In the camera department, the WP30 Pro features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision camera, and a 5MP macro lens, and the front-facing camera is 32MP, while the Oukitel WP33 Pro features a triple rear camera setup as well, with a 64MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens, and the front-facing camera is 32MP as well. So other features of both devices are pretty much the same. They are both rated IP68 and IP69K, and both devices are military-grade standard H10H certified. They both support NFC. They feature Bluetooth 5.2. The Oukitel WP30 Pro features Wi-Fi 6. The Oukitel WP33 Pro doesn't. Also, both devices features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock support. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices do you think pack the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.